konnichiwa.
Today we're going to talk about
a Japanese holiday.
And as you can see, we're going to show you something special. So my first question is, what day is May 5th in Japan?
Kodomo No Hi,
or also known as Children's Day. Children's Day was originally a festival for boys, but is now known as a day for celebrating the growth and good fortune of both girls and boys. So, how do we celebrate it?
we have decorations.
Yes, we have two decorations that are usually used to decorate in the house. And what is our first one?
Koinobori.
Koinobori. Koi in Japanese means carp, so koinobori means carp streamers. You usually hang these carp streamers outside the house, sometimes in your backyard, or if you don't have a yard, maybe on the balcony. And these are usually seen with the streamers on top and the black, red, and yellow, green, and maybe blue carps below. Normally it's 3 to 5 carp streamers. And the black carp usually represents the dad, the red represents the mom, and the rest represents the children. We have a mini carp streamer decoration here.
We have a streamer on top and we have 2 carp streamers.
So that is a mini decoration. And then we have an actual size carp streamer decoration. And it is very long. We don't have a pole, but this is how it'll look when the wind is blowing. It's like a kite.
The second decoration is Yoroi Kabuto.
Or samurai helmet.
Yoroi means armor and Kabuto means helmet.
This represents the family's hope that their son will grow up into a strong and brave young man. And we mentioned before that it's a Children's Day, so it's for both boys and girls. But normally, if you have a boy in the family, when the boy is born, the grandparents will buy the kabuto for the boy. It is very shiny.
I hope you learned something new about this Japanese holiday. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!